Hello again, YouTube. We are going through Free Code Camp, JavaScript algos and data structures. We are in the basic JavaScript course on challenge 47 of 113. We're almost halfway. So today we are going to manipulate arrays with unshift. So not only can you shift elements off the beginning of an array, but you can unshift elements to the beginning of an array, i.e. add elements to the front of an array. So unshift works exactly like push, but instead of adding it to the end, it adds it to the beginning of the array. So we have our variable array equal to an array with 3 values, and if we shift, it's going to remove the first value, and then if we unshift and pass it a value, happy, it's going to change the Stimson. It's going to remove it first because of this, and then it's going to add happy, not add it back, but add happy. So our final array will look like happy J cat instead of Stimson J cat. So we're going to add Paul 35 to the beginning of my array using unshift. So we have my array, and it is an array with 2 arrays, and we're going to remove this first one with shift. We're going to shift this one off, and then we're going to unshift a new array. Okay, so if we, for example, just to see what's going on, we console log my array. We shifted the first value, the 0th index, off, and now we are going to say my array dot unshift, and it is a function, so we need to pass it, we need to give it the parentheses, and whatever we put in these parentheses is what it will unshift, is what it will add. So we're going to add Paul, and then comma 35. So now if we console log my array again, we should see we now have, we shifted the first value off, and then we unshifted a new value. Kind of sounds like they should be the opposite, like shift should add, unshift should remove, but that is how it works in JavaScript. That's all we have to do for this one. Hope to see you guys in the next video.